seem to be having a couple of problems with my discount code for Carveco. So I'm going to kill two birds with one stone here, because recently Carveco have given me my own personal discount page on the Carveco website. So I'm going to show you, there's two different websites to go in. One for hobbyists and everybody else, and there's a different one for commercial license, and you still get a discount on that. So this is the opening page of my channel on YouTube, and this particular video here is the sort of promo video, I suppose you'd call it, and there's two addresses here. Now the top one, if I click on that, it takes you directly to my discount page for the Carveco products, and of course you get a 5% discount off any of these products, whether you get them monthly or yearly, or buy it outright, or whatever you decide to do. Now if you want to buy the main industrial program, of course there's going to be a huge saving on that, and it doesn't matter if you're a business, you'll need to go into the lower address here. I mean, it really doesn't matter, you know, you can go into either, no matter whether you're a professional or whether you're a hobbyist or what. But if you want to go directly in and get the professional Carveco program, there it is there, and of course 5% discount off this program. The commercial program, that's a huge saving. So that's the two addresses there, so that's directly into my discount page within the Carveco group, and this one is the discount. You can apply my discount to any of the products here, including the industrial program. I've also put several different areas where you can get it, either off here, or I have put a little tag here, a little Carveco tag. You click directly on that. That takes you into my discount page. Or you can go to the About, scroll down and go into it there. Takes you straight into that, directly into that discount page. Now then, how to apply the code. Okay, let's get back to home. Alright. So have we got one already open? I got one there open. Okay. So what you do, you just copy that discount code. Okay. And just say, for example, we're going to, well, go to Maker. We're just going to go for the monthly subscription. Okay. So its normal price is $15 a month, and where to go. This tells you all about it, what the basic needs are. 64K, 8GB RAM. This is the recommended. Okay, 8 to 16. Of course I'd go 16 if you got it. Resolution of your screen, graphics card, free space, and what have you. Just gives you a little bit more information there about it, and you just simply add to cart. Okay, so I've got one item in my cart, so you go to checkout, and of course you put your email address, password. You know, you'll create a password when you go into here. It'll ask you, and all the normal bump. And when it comes to here, have a discount code, so double click on there and just enter my discount number in there and press OK, and you see immediately it takes 5% off, and that is what your bill will be. And of course it's 5% off across the board, whether it's monthly, whichever program it is, and even, like I say, down to the professional program. So those of you who've had a few problems, that is how to apply my code on the Carveco website. As you can see, it's a Carveco website page created for me, and everybody gets the same discount. Okay, so that is how to apply my discount code to the Carveco website, and as you can see, there's a Roger Webb discount products in the Carveco site for you to use. And don't forget as well, I do understand that some CNC manufacturers do give you a 12-month subscription free of the Carveco. Carveco Maker normally. Now when that subscription finishes, don't forget, use my code and you can continue having 5% off Carveco Maker or whatever program you desire. Okay then, so I think the next program is going to be a Carveco creation. I think it's going to be a V-bit carving. I think that's what's on the books. So I'll see you there. So.